flash on you.
Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. So today we're gonna be in the kitchen, me and my family cooking. It's gonna be like a snack night theme. So let's get into it.
Okay.
So first we're gonna do the wings, the chicken wings. They're about this big, and they've been soaking and seasoning for about an hour. I only use garlic powder, a little bit of Tony's, pepper, and Monterey chicken season. So now that I'm gonna fry them. How many are you putting in at a time?
Probably about 10.
How long are they gonna cook?
So they pop back up. Probably like 3 minutes or so.
Or for the sauce, I'm doing a hot lemon pepper sauce. That's my favorite. So we're gonna use Louisiana hot sauce, a little bit of butter, well, not a little bit, but enough. And then this lemon pepper wing season mix, you can get it from Walmart. Well, you see this is great value, so we got it from Walmart. And you must cook this. When it comes in a season pack like this, you can't microwave it. So we have to put it in our little pot. So we're just gonna mix it all together.
We're gonna turn it on about 3, like medium, low to medium heat.
1.5 teaspoons of butter. Then we're gonna let that heat up for a little bit. When that's melted, we're gonna add in the season and the hot sauce. To bubble up, that means it's almost ready.
Stand in. Let me get my lipstick.
Okay, so we're also doing fried shrimp along with the chicken wings, and the only difference between the season that these were soaking in is we use Creole season. I didn't use the Tony's on this. I just used regular Creole season and sprinkle some lemon juice on there. Always do that with seafood. So they were just soaking in milk and egg. So now she's gonna flour them up, and then we're gonna fry those too. Okay, so our sauce is done. So we're just gonna let that sit. The wing, like I said, the wings are coming out. But now we're gonna make the dip, the queso dip. So you're gonna start off with regular hamburger meat. This is not seasoned. And then we have our mild taco season. And we're just gonna mix this regular, just as if you were doing regular tacos at home. We're just gonna add a little more because that packet was almost done. Why are you adding water?
That's what the packet called. That's what the packet called for. 1 cup of water. This is called seasoning your meat with the taco season. I don't normally like to add salt to food after it's been cooked because you're taking a chance over seasoning your meat. But with hamburger meat, I just have to season it for the taste. Not too much.
On the border or Tostitos? Which is better?
It all depends on what type of nacho. It all depends on what type of tortilla chips you're using.
Tostitos or on the border? Which is better?
On the border.
Hands down.
Hands down.
Not hands down. It all depends on what type of tortilla chips you're using.
for the sauce. We're only gonna put sauce on a few. Okay, so now we're about to make the popcorn.
And if you follow me on Snapchat, then you saw how it came out. So
You can use Crisco or vegetable oil, anything, but we have our popcorn oil that we're gonna use today and kernels. That's all you need for the cooking part. Then you put whatever toppings on there.
what we do is put our pot and just cover the bottom, like cover the entire bottom of the pan.
While the popcorn oil is heating up, our stuff is ready. So we're just gonna take some and use some sauce. We're leaving the other half plain. 4, 5, 6. So we'll just do 7. So have our deep bowl, and then we're gonna pour our sauce.
What
in
type of
here.
sauce is that?
Hot lemon pepper.
Oh, wow.
Just enough to suck. Just enough to help him. And then we're just gonna shake him up.
Now we're just gonna cover the entire bottom. Be careful because they're gonna start popping. So this viewer's gonna get a top as quick as you can.
Make it pop. I thought it would stick to the top. The top is coming off.
Turn it off. Turn it loud.
We're gonna have majority of it butter, so just salt and butter, regular movie theater. So that'll just be the stick butter. Just melt a little bit of that in the microwave. Or they sell these seasonings at Walmart. This one's white cheddar, this one's kettle corn, so we're gonna have a little bit of that on the side.
Y'all see this right here? Look. They ripping us off. Just FYI.